Is this the end of COTP, the crypto arbitrage trading platform? I don't know. Let's talk about it. Hey, what is going on? It is your stay-at-home millionaire here, Sierra Nicole, and today I want to talk about the COTP, crypto arbitrage platform. Now, if you don't know what crypto arbitrage is, it is basically where you buy cryptocurrency at one price and you sell it at a higher price, and it all happens in a very fast and quick transaction. There is a platform called COTPS, and it is a trading platform that actually finds these transactions for you. All you do is put your money in there and boom, it pretty much does it for you. You can press the button every 2 hours, or you can put a automation bot on there, an automation script that is going to press the button for you every 2 hours. Now, the reason why I say is it over the last couple days, their SMS text messaging system has been down. Now, why is this important? It's important because obviously for those of you who are using the platform, you already know, right? First of all, you can't sign up unless you get the verification text from the platform. And you cannot withdraw any of your funds without getting that SMS text verification code. Now, if their SMS text messaging system is not working and you need a code in order to withdraw your money, that means you can't withdraw your money. So a ton of people are freaking out right now, and I'm actually on the platform. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop over to my computer screen and we're gonna talk about it a little bit. Okay, what's going on, guys? We are back. So right now I'm actually in the COTP platform, trading platform. This is my account. As you can see, I actually made $236 today. It's been about a week and a day. I made about $1,188. Okay, the numbers are going to be a little bit off because the first day we really started out with what was the amount? I did a video on it. I'll link it down in the description. But actually, we could go and look and see the exact numbers. I'm tripping. Okay, so let's go look at the recharge records. Okay, so boom. So I actually started out with like $200, and then I did like a little tester. I was kind of playing around with it that first day, okay, on May 6th. So like $300 was put in there. Then I added another $1,600 again on the 6th, a little bit later that day. And then on the 7th, I put $1,800 in there. On the 12th, I put another $1,900, and then on the 12th, I did another deposit of about $1,100. So in all, I put about $6,800 total in here, but it was kind of staggered on the days, so I haven't really gotten to see what the max potential is of having that amount in here, right? But today I did make about $200. Yesterday was kind of the same thing. It was around 200 and some change, so 250 yesterday. After we had added the larger amount here on the 12th, so we've had about almost 2 full days with putting 6,800 of my own money in here. So that's what it's looking like right now. But let's talk about why everybody's freaking out, why everyone's panicking, right? So when you go to actually withdraw out of here, you of course have to put your phone number, right? You have to put your phone number, and right now, oh yeah, I don't have my withdrawal in there, my withdrawal address in there. But you have to put your phone number in order to withdraw from here. And because their SMS system is down, it's not working right now. And I think a part of that is because one, there's like 3 million users on this platform right now. They've been around since 2019, but they've been growing. They have been growing, and especially in the last several months, a lot of people are catching on to the power of this platform and the power of the fact that your money is compounding, right? And also being able to refer people into the platform and also get paid a percentage of that. So people are making crazy, stupid money on here. And so people are catching on. But I think maybe because of the amount of users, the amount of text messages that they're having to send out, their current provider is definitely going to have to upgrade, or they're going to have to find another provider. Now, how long that's going to take, I have no idea. Are they going to even find a new provider or find a solution to this? I have no idea. They say that, it should take about 3 business days, 3 working days, right? So right now is actually a Saturday. They've started having problems at the very end of this week, the very end of this week. So Thursday, Friday ish, people were having issues with the text messaging. It was already kind of slow. Okay, sometimes you would have to hit that button a couple times in order to finally get that verification code, because you only have 90 seconds in order to put the code in the site for it to work properly, for it to be verified. So that happens. But now it's not working at all, right? So people can't even sign up on the platform right now. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated if anything changes. One thing that I would advise, if you are already in here, you already have money in your COTP account, don't panic, okay? Don't panic. I'm pretty optimistic about it. I do have faith somewhat in the platform. I know that I've made money in it. So I'm definitely going to just wait it out and see. I plan on keeping the money in there for, a little bit anyways. One thing when it comes to high risk, high reward investments is, of course, first off, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. So you have to do your own due diligence and you do your own research. But typically people say that you shouldn't invest anything in really any project. You shouldn't invest into anything if you're not willing to lose that money, because every investment has a risk, but there's also a reward on the other side of it. So something like this crypto project is definitely a high risk, high reward. So we're going to see how this plays out. There are some people who are, doing a lot of clickbait things online, talking about it's over, they pulled the rug on it, right? But we don't know if that's true, right? It's all speculation. All we can do is just really wait it out and see what happens. I think this is just a hiccup on the technical side of things. I mean, servers go down all the time on websites, processes, systems go down all the time on larger sites than this, popular sites that you probably use all the time. So this is something that is not uncommon with a business or a website, okay? Because like I said, I've experienced outages from other companies as well that had nothing to do with any type of investment, just a service or a product, right? So nothing that's like super crazy. The fact that you cannot withdraw is definitely a little eerie for some people. But like I said, don't get anxious about it. Don't get nervous. I would just say, let's just wait it out, especially if you're planning on leaving the money in there for a certain period of time anyways, right? Let's just leave it in there and just let it do what it's going to do. And let's try to be optimistic about it. Now, like I said, this platform is pretty cool, though. It has been compounding. I've been in it since May 6th. Okay, so it's been like a week. What is that? A little over a week? Let me look at my calendar. So we technically started last Friday. So it's been a week and 1 day. But that first day didn't really count, okay, because we started really late in the day. But I guess technically we'll count it. And I actually have a automation script on here. So I have automation script. So instead of me having to press the button, because for those of you who are not familiar with how it works, the software is going to find the deals, find the trades for you, right? And it keeps your money in transaction. So in the deal, in the transactions for about 2 hours. So every 2 hours, your money is going to go back into your wallet. And then once it's in your wallet, you can put it back into the transactions and do some more deals and make some more profit and money. So instead of you clicking this button for every 2 hours, because the first few days I actually did this every few hours and it was just, yeah, I was like up all night because I was just trying to see the maximum potential, right? Because the maximum potential is really being able to make like 3.3% on your money, ROI on your money, and it compounds. So that's major. So I was trying to get the most out of it. Okay. So being up pretty much every 2 hours, I definitely missed some cycles, obviously, throughout the nighttime. But yeah, so I went ahead and just put an automation script on here. So now it does it for me. It's fully automated. So it's been automated here for several days now. So for most of this week, I haven't had to really do anything except for just refresh or check the account. So it's pretty cool in that aspect. This actually turns into true passive income when you're really not doing anything but looking at the numbers, watching your money grow. So that's what it's looking like right now. Like I said, I've made about $1,100 this last week, and it's just going to keep growing and compounding. I'm probably going to add some more money in there, just depending on what the turnout is, obviously, with the withdrawal process. And once that is resolved, I will definitely do another update and let you guys know. But if you guys are interested in more content about crypto and different investments and different financial topics, I'm definitely going to be start doing more of that for you guys. So if you're watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, hit that notification bell, tap in with me. My channel is all about becoming a stay-at-home millionaire, making that money from home using your online business or different investments, and just learning and teaching about different financial tools, because that is super, super important in this journey to wealth, right? So go ahead and tap in with me if that sounds like something that you're interested. My name is Sarah Nicole. Obviously, you see it on my channel. But yeah, I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Make sure if you are interested in doing something like this or investing in something like this on this platform to always do your due diligence. Don't just go based off of what one person says. Always do your due diligence and research. And again, this is not financial advice. My channel is just basically documenting and sharing my own experiences and knowledge that I've gained over the years. So with that being said, that's all that I have for you guys today. And we're going to catch you guys on the next video.